Hello, if you are a math student and you are struggling with math questions and calculations, then I'm going to show you a website that can greatly help you to solve certain problems from calculus, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, etc. So the website is mathway.com. You have to search this on the Google and you will be navigated to Mathway's official website. This is one of the website from Czech. For example, if I can show you the details, what it has actually. So through this, you can solve calculus, basic math, graphing calculator, pre-calculus, math calculator, and so on. So how to use this is the main interface of the website where you can solve certain problems. Right now, I have selected algebra, and if you wanna solve any kind of problem, you can list your written problems here also and uh, put any calculation, any equation here to get an instant answer. The drawback of this website is when you wanna take a look on the steps it took to solve a problem, it becomes a pro, means you have to purchase. But as far as the solution is concerned, as far as MCQs is concerned, you can definitely use this website. On clicking this, you will find a wide range of topics, a wide range of, I would say, subjects that can be solved using this website. It ranges from basic math to graphing and also physics, linear algebra, finite math, statistics, calculus, pre-calculus, trigonometry, and so on. So go and check it out and let me know in the comment section if you like that video and this website.